Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a garment rack with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x2x2 round base. I'm going to take a large steering wheel. I'm going to place this on as shown. Then a 2x2 round flat tile with a single stud on top. Set that right there. Then I'm going to take a 2 stud long stick with flange. Place that all the way down in there. And for a sign, a 2x2 sign with a clip on the back, set that on as shown. This is going to be a sign that you can put a sticker on if you choose, show what's on sale. And I'm going to slide this out of the way. I'm going to take a torso. I'm going to pull the hands out of this. Now, some people say it's kind of creepy leaving those in there, but that's up to you. These just pull straight out. Now, rule of thumb here is to use torsos you really don't care about. We'll set the hands off to the side. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 plate with top holder, set that on as shown. Then I'm going to place this on the steering wheel. Push that in as shown. Now we got ourselves a shirt hanging on the garment rack. I'm going to make 7 more of these torsos of various colors, and you can comfortably fit 4 in each section here. So we'll just swing these into place. You could probably get more in there if you choose. See how some of these are kind of springing out, so we got to be careful. Put this one right here, and we'll just balance these out a little bit. You could slide them around, and we'll put some on this side here. It's a good use for these steering wheels. I've just been trying to think of what am I going to use these for, because I got a bunch of them, and I thought they look like a nice little garment rack here. Hang shirts or pants or whatever you want. Put this one here. You could use any type of torso you wish. Or if you want, you can leave it creepy and just leave the hands on there. And there we go. That's our garment rack, and this would be perfect for a department store or a clothing store.